What is Upwork as a freelancing platform? Upwork is a popular freelancing platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking various services, such as writing, programming, graphic design, marketing, and more. It offers a wide range of job categories and allows freelancers to create profiles showcasing their skills and experience. Clients post projects, and freelancers can bid on these projects or are invited to apply based on their profiles. Upwork provides a workspace for communication, file sharing, and milestone tracking, making it easier for freelancers and clients to collaborate remotely. Payments are often handled through Upwork's system, offering security for both parties. However, like any platform, Upwork has its pros and cons. It provides a vast pool of opportunities, but also faces competition among freelancers. Additionally, fees for freelancers are a percentage of their earnings, and some users may find the platform's fee structure challenging. Overall, it can be a valuable tool for both freelancers and clients when used strategically. How you can earn as a freelancer on Upwork. Earning on Upwork as a freelancer involves several steps. Creating a strong profile. Craft a detailed and professional profile highlighting your skills, expertise, and past work experience. A compelling profile increases your chances of attracting clients. Bidding on projects. Browse available jobs that match your skills and interests. Remember, success on Upwork often requires patience, persistence, and a proactive approach in seeking out projects that align with your skills and expertise. Building a strong reputation takes time, but consistent effort and delivering quality work can lead to a thriving freelance career on the platform. Write tailored proposals showcasing your abilities and explaining how you can add value to the client's project. Building a portfolio. If you're starting, consider taking on smaller projects initially to build your reputation and portfolio. As you complete jobs, ask clients for feedback and testimonials to strengthen your profile. Delivering high-quality work. Once you've secured a project, ensure you meet deadlines and provide high-quality work. Positive reviews and ratings from clients can significantly boost your profile and attract more job offers. Consistency and communication. Maintain good communication with clients throughout the project. Clear, prompt communication often leads to satisfied clients and repeat business. Managing payments. Upwork offers various payment methods. Ensure your payment details are set up correctly and you're aware of Upwork's fee structure for freelancers. Growing your reputation. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and target higher-paying projects.